Hello again, I'm Carol Rivers and I'm in a beautiful part of the country, Mudeford Quay, close to Christchurch Harbour. Well, my most recent book, Eve of the Isle, is set in another harbour or estuary, London estuary, Isle of Dogs, and Eve's sailor husband goes missing. She has quite a time of it trying to solve the mystery, and along the way she has to support her two twin sons and has quite a difficult time in discovering who, or at least where, Raj has gone. So I hope you'll enjoy this book if you buy it, and enjoy looking around this beautiful place, which is not very sunny today, but is, however, still full of spring and lifted up completely.
Cut that off at the end.